The litigation process has been referenced in a few videos on the channel here, but the purpose of this particular video is to try and educate you as the client on exactly what the litigation process is. First of all, being in litigation means that you have filed a lawsuit against a defendant. You are the plaintiff, and the person or company that harmed you is called the defendant. Your lawsuit is pending in court, which is likely near where the incident took place. So for example, if the incident that hurt you took place in Orange County, your case is likely filed in the Superior Court of California, County of Orange. Another important thing to keep in mind is who the defendant actually is. Frequently, when dealing with motor vehicle collisions, people become hesitant about the litigation process because it feels like they're personally suing another person who simply made a mistake. The defendant was not paying attention, they caused a wreck, but it seems a bit punitive maybe to be suing them individually, right? The reality is that on paper, the lawsuit will list the defendant by name, but the attorneys representing them are paid for by the defendant's insurance company. The defendant is not individually paying out on your settlement or verdict, an insurance company is. So in essence, the litigation process is the formal in-court version of you versus the insurance company. Litigation is a process that is largely controlled by the California Code of Civil Procedure, which contains a number of various timelines and cutoff dates that control the speed that your case can move forward. Today, particularly in light of how COVID impacted our court system, the litigation process tends to move slower than it traditionally did. Some firms may promise you that your lawsuit will be wrapped up in 6 months or less. With all due respect, anyone that promises you such a timeline is either lying or simply doesn't actually litigate. Generally speaking, from the time that your case is filed in court, you can expect the initial discovery process to take somewhere between 6 to 9 months. That includes written discovery, depositions, and record exchanges. Typically, somewhere between 9 to 12 months after your case is filed, a mediation will take place, which is the subject of a later video that we have for you. If your case does not settle, you can expect a jury trial to take place 12 to 24 months after the initial date your case was filed. As you can see, the entire litigation process is multifaceted and time-consuming. We will not rush your case in the name of achieving a quick settlement. We handle all of our litigation in-house, never farming it out to some other firm to get results. We will aggressively litigate every aspect of your case to ensure that your case obtains maximum value by either settlement or verdict. So trust the process and know that if your case is actually litigated, we will not rest until we have gotten justice on your behalf.